Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to reset Google Chrome to its default settings. So you want to open up Google Chrome and simply click the three dots on the upper right hand side. From here, you want to go down to settings. Now on the left hand side, you will find reset settings here. Click on that. And here you'll have the option to reset Google Chrome to their default state. So once you click on that, you'll get a pop-up. Just go ahead and click reset settings. Google Chrome will ask you to restart. You want to restart Google Chrome, and that's going to reset it to its default settings. Now, once you go ahead and restart that, I recommend that you open up Google Chrome and do the same steps by simply going to settings. But this time you want to go ahead and go to about Chrome. Once you click on that, Chrome is going to quickly do a check for updates, and it's going to update Google Chrome to the latest version for you. And as you can see, it's currently updating my Google Chrome. It's at 50% right now. And within a couple of seconds, you will see that it jumps to 100%, which will trigger me to also restart Google Chrome. As you can see, it says relaunch, and that's all that I have to do, relaunch it, and it's going to restart with the latest available version. And that's all there is to it, guys.